Today we had the good fortune of meeting a really big brain in the world of decentralized finance and crypto in general. His name is Chen Yoda. He also goes by Ajit Tripathi, which is his real name. And he opened up a lot of perspectives for me personally because he said that, focus is really important. Like तुम लोगों ने काम बहुत ही मुश्किल चुन लिया है. Which is like building a business is hard. It's not easy. And ऊपर से the industry is 99% scam. So, anybody who says differently is lying, to be honest. There are good people in a really bad business, and that's what this is sometimes. जब तक regulations नहीं आते बहुत अच्छे से तब तक यही scene है. I would say कि two things that have helped me lately in my workflow has been number one, getting this little bad boy right here, which is not little actually, it's actually quite wide. आप देख सकते हैं कि this is मेरे elbow की length, so it's almost like I don't know what you call it. Do you call it like qubits or something? Yeah, it's like high qubits for me personally. It's a pretty sick ass whiteboard. So I usually use this to now think instead of sitting in front of my laptop staring at the screen like वहाँ पे सोचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं because then बहुत सारी और चीज़ें आ जाती हैं. You start to like fly around different tasks. Doesn't necessarily work out in the best way possible. Number two is in my calendar apparently there is a feature known as focus time and I've never used it personally, right? क्योंकि मुझे उसका मतलब नहीं समझ में आता था, but it's just so easy because now I have time blocks की okay अगर मुझे ये 4 चीज़ें करनी है काम की then these are the blocks in which I have to work towards them. वो मैं सुबह in the morning set कर देता हूँ तो it's pretty helpful. It's pretty clear कि what needs to be done. I think morning के बजाय मुझे शायद वो पिछली रात ही कर देने चाहिए, but we are working towards that. So yeah, that's all that there is. I'll be flying to India really soon and I'm deeply nostalgic right now about visiting India क्योंकि शायद कभी कुछ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा था तो आपको घर की बड़ी याद आती है. तो अभी वही वाला टाइम है. Things aren't necessarily the best, I'd say, but inshallah by the time this video launches and it's live, I would be in a much better position and all I have to do is just like weather through this storm of like self-doubt. That's it.